Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade solution specifically designed for Dell PowerEdge servers, the ATEC 32GB kit, 2x16GB. This DDR4 ECC unbuffered RAM promises to boost the performance of several PowerEdge models, including the R240, R330XL, R340, T140, T30, and T340. This kit operates at 2,133 MHz, PC4-17000, ensuring compatibility with the specified server models. The fact that it's ECC unbuffered memory is crucial for server environments, as it provides error correction, enhancing data integrity and system stability. This is not your standard desktop RAM. It's built for the demands of server workloads. The kit includes two 16GB modules, totaling 32 GB. This capacity upgrade can significantly improve your server's ability to handle multiple virtual machines, large databases, or other memory-intensive applications. The modules are 2RX8, indicating their rank and organization, and they adhere to the JEDEC DDR4 standard of 1.2V, ensuring power efficiency. One of the most appealing aspects of this ATEC kit is its ease of installation. ATEC claims that no expertise is required, and while familiarity with server hardware is always beneficial, the installation process is generally straightforward. Just consult your server's manual for the correct DMM, slots, and channel configuration. ATEC backs this memory kit with a limited lifetime warranty, which speaks to their confidence in the product's reliability. They also offer tech support, which could be a valuable resource if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. In summary, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 ECC unbuffered RAM kit appears to be a solid choice for upgrading the memory capacity of compatible Dell PowerEdge servers. The ECC functionality, ease of installation, and warranty provide peace of mind, while the increased memory capacity can lead to noticeable performance improvements in demanding server environments. If you're looking to breathe new life into your PowerEdge server, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.